guys, my name is Justin. Today I'm going to do a rose with napkin. Violet. Let's get started. See, the first step is see. See, you have to keep your napkin like this, kerchief, and fold to this bottom like this. You understand? Like this. See, like this. You have to leave some here. Okay? You have to leave some. Little bit. Now you have to roll here. Don't catch here, catch in the middle and roll. Till this much enough. Then you have to roll again this side. You understand? You understand? See, do again like this. See, like this. Wait. Like this. When you rolled to this one you have to pull it and see. You have to see this one. You roll this and tightly make it to come here to this end. You have to press it down. Okay, see, like this. You have to do this trick. First you have to take a square shape. Your wish, you can do with napkin or towel or blankets, something. You can do with anything, but only square shape. See, like this. You understand? Now you have to like this. You have to catch this inside one and pull. Don't pull so hard, again it will break. See, you have to pull it. Keep like leaves. See, it's done. See, rose. Let me show neatly. Let me show more. See, in front side it will be like this. You understand? You can use like a dining table like fashion, or anywhere to decorate your room and the kitchen. You can make like this. If you have so many napkins, you can make so many. See, you understand? See, okay, that's enough showing. Okay, if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you all tomorrow.